Now I'm assuming that you already know how to draw a cube like that, right? We're going to go on to next step, right? But before that you must be able to draw this. If you're not able to draw this with this template, right, go and watch the other video, right? We will teach you how to draw a cube using this template now. But what if I want, right, if I want to draw something like that, a cube, right, another small cube stacking on top of this cube. Now for example, I have another cube here. If I have a cube stacking on top of another cube, right, if this is what I want, I want a cube like that, right, stacking on top of another cube. So how are you going to draw this, right? Let me show you this, right? Now I'm going to go through very quickly, right? I use this template. Now what's the most important thing? Most important thing, this must be vertical, this must be vertical, right? So I'm going to draw a cube first, right? I'll draw it gently, right? As always, I say I will draw it gently, right? I'll flip over, right? Now I'm not going to go through the basic step of drawing a cube, right? Oh, now I have a cube. Now I'm going to join these 2 points, so now I have something like a rectangular base. Now I want a cube that's stacked on top of this. Now so the first thing that you need to decide is where does your cube, the cube that is on top, where does it start? For example, I want the cube to start down here, something down here like that, right? I want to put a cube at this corner. So what do, right? Use this template. Use this template. Vertical, right? These two sides must be vertical. Shift this thing paper a little bit, right? Must be vertical. So vertical and vertical. So I will move this vertex out here to the starting point. Right, put to the starting point. Then I draw. Now after that I will see the base. Now base. Now I will decide how thick or how tall what is the height of the cube that I want, right? The tube on top. I will make use of this vertical edge down here, vertical edge, or you can just draw a vertical line draw a vertical line. For example, if I want it to be this height, right? Want it to be this height. Now you are going to move, right? From this point you're going to move up. Now make sure that this edge is still vertical, right? The two edges are still vertical. Once it is not vertical, your cube will look weird, right? Will look weird. So this point down here must be vertically on top of this, right? That's the other thing to check. This point down here vertically, and so you can actually draw a vertical line, right? Then the third thing is draw a line here, right? Draw a line here, curve up, right? Curve up. All right, then you should make use of the vertical edge down here. Now this time round, locate this point down here that it cuts the edge. All right, then place this thing, right? Use this vertical edge down here, make sure that it's vertical. You draw this. All right, so how do I complete the box? On top, I flip it over. All right, ensure that this is still vertical. Now you have this point out here. I need to ensure, right? I just use this thing, right? These two should touch, and then this edge down here should be vertically on top of this point. Yeah, right, this point down here vertically on top of this point, and I shift until I touch the two edges. I shift until I touch the two edge. Now if this is a squarish cube, then this point will be vertically on top of this. Now in actual fact, all you need to do is align this and this, right? Use these two edges down here to touch the 2 points, and it will come out well. Alright, it will come out well. Now remember I told you to, when you start sketching, do it gently, right? Do it gently. So right now I will know that this line is hidden, right? These two lines are hidden, so I'm not going to darken it. I will darken the rest. Alright, I will darken the rest. You see, once I darken, right? Once I darken the rest, the lines inside will fade off, right? You do not need to erase it. Now I have a cube stacking on top of another. Right, so this is a fast sketch of one tube stacking on top of the other. Alright, one tube stacking on top of another. Now the next step, yeah, what if I want to draw now, I want to make this hole, right? This cube is actually hollow, for example. How do I do it? How do I do that? Right, same thing, using this template, right? I will shift, right, locate this point, shift it a little bit upwards, shift it a little bit upwards, right? I will draw a little bit of a thickness. Now the thickness I will draw, I will not touch the edge, right? I will not touch the edge here, I will not touch the edge here. Why? Because I want to say that I want to express, I want to show the thickness of the wood down here. If this piece is a wood, right, the wood or acrylic, right, be it wood or acrylic, the material will have a little bit of thickness. Right, so once you're done with that, flip over, ensure that this line, this edge down here is vertical, right? The two edges are vertical. Then you shift it until this edge touch this point, right? This edge touch this point here, right? Touch the 2 points, you hold it tight, check that this thing is vertical, and thereafter you can draw. Right, you can draw. How to say that this thing is hollow? How to say this thing is hollow? Now all you have to do is to draw a vertical line from up there. Draw a vertical line here. Alright, this line should be the same length as this. Alright, in this case, the thickness, the height of this is not very high, so let me bring this over, touch the edge here, touch the end, and then draw the L shape here. Right, there you have it. Right, you can shade this thing a little bit. Right, shade the top a little bit, and you see that you now have a hollow box. Right, a hollow box. Right, try it out.